Guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to recover deleted videos in CapCut. Alright, I know a lot of people don't know they can actually recover deleted videos or projects on CapCut. So first thing you have to have in mind is you have to make sure your CapCut app has been updated. So how do you update it? You go to your Play Store and you search for CapCut, just like this, CapCut. And if you have any updates, you have to update the app. So once it's updated, you have to open up the app and let's go and see how to recover deleted videos. So click on your CapCut app just like this, and you can see projects below. So this project right here, let me just say I deleted a video. Let me delete this one right here, deleted, and you see one item moved to trash. You can see above right here, if you are having an updated version of CapCut, you'll be able to have trash. So once you click on trash right there, you can see the video I just deleted right now. And what do you do to recover? Click on these three dots on the side and you can click on restore. So once you click on restore, you go back to local and you're going to see the video you deleted. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.